If you're doing affiliate marketing, you need to understand that finding the right affiliate product is 80% of the game. Because if you have the right affiliate product, then the product sells itself. If I'm selling an Apple iPhone, I don't need to sell the product will sell itself. If I'm selling a Mercedes, I don't need to sell the Mercedes will sell itself. You need to find great products that people desperately want. And here is my 7-step criteria to find such products. Number one, use the product yourself. Like I have said so many times before, make sure that you only promote the products that you have used yourself. I personally never ever promote a product that I have never used. Okay, because when you use a product, you are able to find the good and the bad. So for example, when I used to use Windows, I loved some of the functionality in window. Okay, I loved some of the features in Windows. Now same, when I'm using Mac, it's not that I love Mac 100%. There are a few things that I would want to change in here, but of course there are things that I also like about Mac. But because I have used MacBook and I have used Windows, I can easily do a comparative analysis between the features of both, and I can tell where Mac is better than Windows in my opinion, and where Windows is better than Mac from my experience. And that is what makes it extremely valuable when I'm doing an affiliate promotion, because now a user is going to understand real time. For example, I can do a screen capture using my Mac, and I can do a screen recording of my Windows and show the comparative analysis, which makes it even more trustworthy. So make sure that you use the product yourself and you have the pictures or the videos of you using the product. A lot of time you would have seen that in today's world, makeup brands, uh, weight loss brands, fitness brands, clothing brands, they're selling their products, they're sending the products to influencers, and they're asking influencers to use the product and post the picture, or to wear the clothes and post the picture, or to have the product in a picture with them, like a protein supplement. Why? Because they know when someone sees an influencer using a product, the chances of them purchasing goes extremely high, because now they are seeing someone using the product themselves. Next, customer support. You would not want to buy a product that has poor customer support. No one would want to buy a product that has poor customer support. So whenever I use a product myself, it also tells me about the customer support of the company. If a company is unable to reply to me in 7 days, let's say if a company takes 7 days to reply to me, what do you think is going to happen when I send them some customers? They're going to repeat the same behavior, right? The second thing to look in a product is customer support, and the only way to know customer support is by being a customer. So even if you are promoting a $17 product, make sure that you buy the product yourself first. You test the customer support. Once you test the customer support, then you have a first-hand experience of how it works. Number three, social proof. In our digital Dukandar program, we have over 1,000 people who have joined the program. Every single day, people are posting screenshots after screenshots after screenshots. And that talks a lot about social proof. In fact, let me even show this to you live, so you guys know that this is something that happens in real time. Of course, a lot of you who would be watching this video, I know you guys know this probably because some of you are also a part of the program, but still, I want to make sure that I walk the talk. I think that's what it's called. Walk the talk. Yeah. So this is the Facebook group that we have. And let me show you something. We have a separate group for graduates. We have a separate group for people who join the program. Sunny posted 2 hours back, crossed $500 mark in 6 days. Well, 8 days because Facebook blocked my ad account for 2 days. This came in 2 hours back. Mufaddal is saying getting a first sale on the first day of launching the online store is an awesome experience. Mufaddal make a $29 sale. Subrat, 12 hours back, $100 in 6 days. Awesome. This is a birthday post. 9 hours back, got the first sale yesterday night after having 4 campaigns and spending $50, $30 of sale. 1 day back, $111 in sale. I can go on and on and on, and I can show you amazing social proof. $211 in a month in sales. This is Archit. I have crossed 100 orders this week. He is my college junior, I think.